In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage of total in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and locate the sales data you want to work with. Before calculating percentages, it's helpful to first find the total of all your sales values because each individual percentage will be based on that grand total. Click on an empty cell where you want the sales total to appear. In that cell, type an equals sign, followed by sum, then an open parenthesis. After that, select the first cell that contains a sales value and drag down to the last cell in your sales range. Once the full range is selected, close the parenthesis and press enter. Excel will now calculate the total of all the sales values in that range. Next, choose the cell where you want the percentage of total to appear for the first sales amount. In that cell, type your formula starting with an equals sign. Then click the cell containing the individual sales amount you want to calculate. Type a / and then enter sum with an open parenthesis. Now select the full sales range again, but this time make sure to lock the range by adding $signs to the first and last cell references. This creates an absolute reference, which is important because it keeps the total range fixed when you use the formula for other rows. Close the parenthesis and press enter. At this stage, Excel gives you the proportion of that one sales amount compared to the total. To calculate the percentage for the rest of your sales values, repeat the same formula for each one, changing only the first cell reference so it matches the sales amount for that row. The total sales range inside the sum formula should stay locked exactly the same. You may notice that the results appear as decimals instead of percentages. That's completely normal. To display them as percentages, select all of the cells containing your results, then go to the Home tab, choose the formatting option, and open Format Cells. In the panel that appears, make sure you are on the Number tab. From the category drop-down, select Percentage. This will convert the decimal values into percentage format, making the results much easier to read and understand. And that's it. You've successfully calculated the percentage of total in Excel. This is a simple but very useful technique whenever you want to understand how much each value contributes to the overall total.